we left off again. This is episode 3. Well, I guess it's episode. I want to start. I want to do some. I want to play a little bit, so you guys can see how I am. I know my videos are short because it takes me out of it a lot. Sorry that happened, guys. I'll try to fix that problem if I can figure it out. Hello. So yeah, guys, if you really do like this video, tell me. Now let's get in this. Ooh, these noobs. Too many noobs. Damn. Don't worry. I'm gonna do this once. And since I'm not that good at this, I don't even know how to. I don't even know how to hack gems or obsidian.
No. Fuck off.
Shut up.
Shut
up.
You are a shrimp dick.
I'm posting this on YouTube too, and you keep talking.
Stop being talkative, you shrimp dick little fuck.
Oh my god. Guys, don't worry, brother. My brother is mental. Oh yeah, you hear anything in the background? Just ignore that. My brother does that every time. And you see how it's a little laggy? That's gonna happen a little bit.
A little bit, I mean a lot. You love something.
Sorry, this is lagging. This is why I don't do gameplay, guys, because this happens a lot. It happens for a little bit, but it gets fixed. Yeah, I'm gonna see how it's stuck. That's gonna happen. The lags. This is one time I'm gonna make these videos. I said I don't mind cursing in the background.